This week on Focus Friday, we're focusing in on network tools. This week, we're looking at 4 different networking installation toolkits. We've got big to small. We've got a full range right here, everything you can imagine, and then it eventually goes to the more specific. So who are these products for? So these are a one-stop shop, and these are more specific. This one is a networking toolkit, specifically installation, repair, and maintenance, so really everything. And this is a condensed. So it has a little bit of everything, more for a professional who just needs these specific tools, like a crimper and a tester. Then these are the real pro. We have, as you can see right here, LCD cable, length, toner, and probe. And again, your tester over here. LCD cable, length, toner, and probe, and all your modules. And then super condensed, crimper, punch tool, snips, cable tester, RJ11 and 45. I know what you're thinking, I'm not Vincent Vega, but let's look what we have here. So from Pro's Kit, we have this really comprehensive toolkit, as you can see, everything in, and let's have a squiz of what's actually inside. So at the top we have your top tray with super useful and organized tools. So everything is in its place and even has a diagram of where it should go. Hammer, screwdriver, snips, cutters, soldering, and solder. And then we have the utility component storage box. So this is for all your little bits. They go here, as you can see, there's a little diagram over there, a little picture to show you exactly what's inside. Then we have your tape measure twice, cut once. Then we have your multi-modular cable tester. You know exactly what that's for. Testing cables if they work, RJ11, 45, right there. And we have your tester and remote. And then we have your multimeter. A complete icon, exactly what it says in the box, but it is for everything to make sure it works, everything from ohms, voltage, etc. So then we have our second toolkit here. We have crimpers, 8p, 6p, and it has a ratchet system and blade. We have our punch down tool, and again, these are switchable, low impact, high impact, and you can release the blade here. It comes out like that. Then we have our cable strippers and cutters, regular pliers, and our 2-in-1 screwdriver. So yank it out and you have 2-in-1. Double side, Phillips, flat. Goes in there, knife, and your cable tester with the remote right over there. So this is our third network installation toolkit. We have our LCD cable length, toner, and probe tester. There's a jacket, everybody gets chilly, this guy does 2, and a meter drop height. Then we have all our modules here, and they are handily labeled with numbers for us, so we can just say, give me the number 1, number 4, etc. And we put it straight in, there, and to there. So it allows us to interchange the modules, and again, the tester over here as well, and sound buzzes out the back. And if you need to be quiet, it comes with little headphones. You can plug this into the guys, and you don't have to worry about it running over here. And it comes with all the different connectors to make it all possible. Our third cable network and installation kit, much more condensed. So we have cable tester, and this clear sleeve right here, super useful because you can see exactly what it is instead of it being covered. and they fit together, so they slot out like that. You have your remote and your cable tester. Makes it really nifty because you don't have to have two different spaces. You put in your pocket, you just take it out all in one, like that. Or two different guys. Then we have your crimpers, nice rubberized handles, strong construction, here for stripping, crimping, and a small stripping over there as well. Put that straight back in. Your punch tool here as well, and back, really informative diagram. These are for when you're wiring up, take a wire, pull it to wire it up, and your screwdriver, screw it in. And last but not least, everybody knows snips or strippers. There you go. See you soon.